from the way that we design our stores, the way that we lay out the merchandise, and even to the products that we sell on the shelf. It's really about inspiring our customers to be more, to drive their passion for food. So we are all about loving food, and I'm sure that Iloilos are also all about that. Well, as I've said, this is like, we are here to satisfy those cravings. So we already have a curated assortment of food and even non-food. But for the culinary scene, we hope with the store number 33 opening in Iloilo, we have already gathered all the best from different worlds and brought it here to Iloilo. If there's anything else that you would want us to carry or sell on our shelves, we would be very open to try to bring it. So our communication lines are always open for new things. So let us know. If there's anything missing, we'll be happy to find it for you.